What is up, wealth builders? Hey, welcome back to another update on my crypto trading bots. If you've been paying attention and watching my other videos, you'll know that I am going through and doing the free trial period to BitsGap, which is a trading platform that allows you to build automated bots that will conduct trades for you. And I wanted to give you guys just another update. Today is the 4th day that I'm recording this, but as you can see, this is the 6th day that I've had bots running. And I have to say that I'm pretty impressed today. If you watched my last video, you'll know that yesterday I was down. My profit was actually in the negative, my sum P&L, but my bot profit was up. Today I'm at $12 and I'm pretty excited about that because as you can see, all of my bots are doing pretty good. This bot here, I did close out and start it over again. You can come up here. I can go over here and look at where it was actually doing really bad. I was losing like 10%, but that's because the bot in itself the price in itself was going, had dropped. And so I canceled it out and reopened it at the current price that is at. So right now I'm trading in this level, but before I was up here and it dropped and it fell out and I lost some money on this bot here. So I canceled that one and reopened it, and now we're going to see how it does. But I want to show you guys this one, this scraper bot here. This bot has generated me $8 in the last 4 days off of trades. But on top of that, if we go over here and we click into it, you'll see that I'm actually up $40 on my total profit on this bot. And that's because this bot, on top of me getting the income from the bot conducting these trades for me, which look at this one right here, $1.34 that it made me earlier today. But on top of that, the price of the coin went up, so I get the cash in on that as well. So that's really, really good. That was what I wanted to show you guys. That hey, I'm at $12 right now. My oldest bot right now is 6 days. But it's made me 31 cents, which again on $47, but this is 0.70%. I'm getting 3% on this one, 1.65%, 10%. I mean, that is amazing. I really need to take this one up again because again, on $1,000 right now, this is $100, 10%. 0.26%. Your bank's not giving you that, 2.42%. And again, if you do the math and you can come up with and determine how much these returns would be if you had a larger amount in there. Again, I have such a small amount, but this was $70 when I started out, and now it's $119, and that's because of the $8 that I made through profit and the 50% change in the price of the coin itself. 35% change, but so do I like the bots? Yes, I do like the bots. I do think that I'm gonna keep using the bots. This one is out of its range. You can see. It just means that I wanted to trade up in this area, but the prices dropped down here. So I can do one or two things. I can close this out and then reopen it, which let's see. I'm at $20 on that. My initial. So I've lost $4.59. So I can close this out right now and take my loss and then reopen it in this current price range, which may not be a bad thing because right now it's moving pretty sideways, which may not be a bad thing to do. So we'll see. Actually, let's see. I'm going to do that right now. So this is DNT. Let's go ahead and we're going to stop this and take this loss. So go up here. We're going to cancel all current orders. And it's going to move it to the history for us. So we go over here. Boom. There you go in the history right there. And then go back over here. You can see I'm on the ones that I've closed, I've lost $13 between these three. And they've only gained me 12 cents, once you subtract out what I lost on them. But again, I closed these out because they were just failing, and that's just kind of how it goes. But I'm still up $85 and $12 in profit over here. So let's go over here and we're going to reopen that bot again. So let's modify and restart. So we're going to bring this down. New low price. We're going to set a new high price. And let's land on that some. And this is just from the last couple of hours. So take my high price up just a little bit. Low price. And everything else I'm going to pretty much leave the same. I'm going to do $25. I'm going to leave it at 98 grids. That's how many grid spots are in between here. That's how many trades it's going to try to do. We're going to leave the trailing up on, which means that if the price goes up, that this is going to move my high price up. And take profit. I'm not going to, I'm going to try to take profit on this. Let's say I want a 30%. Don't think I'm going to get that high, but why not? If for some reason it goes up that high, we'll take our wins on that. And we are going to put a stop loss on this one this time around because I'm not trying to lose a whole lot of money. So I want that like not too far from my. All right. Hold on a second. What's the stop loss or take profit? All right, we're going to adjust the grids. All right, so we're only going to be able to do 44 with the amount of money that we have because I'm not going to put anything extra in there. But let's see. Take that low price of just air. This down, just air. Let's adjust that grid again. Back test that bad boy. Let's see what it would do for us. Now, when you back test, the back test shows you like the historical what could have happened on this trade scenario. Oh, all right, there we go. It's actually still not looking too good though. Let's try it anyway. Let's preview it, confirm it. Let's put that one in, and we're gonna see how it goes. All right, boom, there we go. We're gonna let that go ahead and buy. And successful. Buy has begun.